You're walking down the street and suddenly spot it cash. Just lying there, no wallet, no ID, just a crisp wad of bills fluttering in the breeze. You look around. No one's in sight. The big question hits you, can you legally keep it? Most people assume finders keepers, right? But legally, it's not that simple. In fact, keeping that money without doing the right thing first might actually be a crime, and in some states, it could be considered theft of lost property. Here's how the law breaks it down. In many states, the moment you find money, you're expected to make a reasonable effort to return it to its owner. That could mean turning it into the local police station or the lost and found if you're in a store or mall. Now, if nobody claims it after a certain time, usually 30 to 90 days, you might actually get to keep it legally. But if you just pocket the cash and someone saw you do it, or there's security footage, you could be charged with larceny. And get this, there are different rules for different places. For example, if you find cash inside a private business, like a gas station or supermarket, you usually have to hand it over to the manager. But if you find money on public property, like a park or sidewalk, you may need to report it to the police. If the original owner doesn't show up in time, the law may allow you to claim it. However, not doing the right thing first can land you in legal trouble even for just a few bucks. And here's the twist. In some states, even finding a wallet full of cash and failing to return, it could lead to a misdemeanor or even felony charges, depending on the amount. There have been real cases where people faced criminal charges just for keeping what they thought was a lucky find. So before you decide to keep that cash, ask yourself, is it really worth the legal risk? So can you legally keep money you find? Only if you follow the right steps. Otherwise, what feels like free money could end up costing you a lot more than you think.